मायनिंग हो गोंयचो म्हत्वाचो आर्थीक कणो आशिल्लो. ताका दुसरो पर्याय मेळपाक कुसतात. ताचो परिणाम म्हण खंय तरी बेरोजगारीचोय प्रश्न राज्यांत दिसता. त्या खातीर मायनिंग राज्यांत सुरू जावचें म्हण सगळ्यांनी एकठांय येवपाची गरज आसा. कारण राज्याक खण उद्योगांतल्यान जो महसूल मेळटालो तो महसूल आनी खंयचेच क्षेत्र दिवपाक शकना. मात राज्यांत बेरोजगारीचो आंकडो देंवोवपाक सरकाराचो यत्न चालू आसा म्हण उद्योग मंत्री विश्वजीत राणे उलयला. RDX खातीर परवरीच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार.
Report coming that says that 35% of Goans are unemployed in the state. How do you comment on
percentage?
No, that's why we are stressing hard on the ease of doing business and seeing that we are able to create increasing capacities for existing industries. Just now today GSI also met me. We are working. It is 35% is not only selectively for Goa itself.
No, it's inclusively for Goa due to after post mining suspension.
Mining impact cannot be washed away. Mining was a big industry that was actually supporting the finances of the state. Today, without mining, we cannot think of any other kind of alternative method of resource earning which mining is to give. Mining is an important sector, and we have to somehow see that we have to work all together to see that this mining is restarted again, because mining for us, at anyhow, in whatever form, we require mining activities in the state of Goa. In addition to it, one thing it must be very clear that apart from mining, there is no other sector that can generate that type of income which mining is to give in terms of royalty to the state government. Industries also, we are trying to make everything transparent, everything possible. People who are increasing capacity to see that employment generation continues at a particular pace. And as far as the government is concerned, government will do whatever best it can as far as the commitment given to the people and the youth of the state of Goa. But this figure which is there is a figure that has to be brought down, and this definitely is an impact, like you said, because of mining. That compensation, how to do that really serious application of mind is required, which we all need to do and put our minds to it.
So what would be key measures which the ministry will
One is we have to find out till the mining starts what are the alternative areas that we can create for employment generation. Is very important for us to have some other revenue stream on board, or also an area that can bring what type of industries or what type of activity can generate that type of employment. But one thing, let me put it, this whole mining impact, which is there, is a very major impact. I don't think whatever you do, we will be able to come close to that particular thing, because that is a serious issue with the state.